This is TEX malasadas. I invite you to come here. It's on my island of Kona, where I desire to live.
On your island?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
what's in that?
This one's got chocolate, as you can see.
Chocolate.
The strawberries on the other end. To make a reference of Pat's beautiful pink ring that I bought for her.
Beautiful.
All right.
Beautiful, Mama.
Thank you. Shaka. Very good. I'd recommend TEX malasadas. Come see us. It's good. Very good. Good one. See you later. We have another stop. This is number 5 choice for some more fish and dip. I mean fish and chip.
Oh my God.
Okay.